In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Make.com to Slack. By the end, you'll be able to send messages, watch channels for new activity, and automate common Slack actions directly from your Make scenarios. Start by signing in to Make and opening the scenario editor. From your dashboard, click Create a new scenario. This brings up the visual canvas where all your automation logic lives. You can rename the scenario at the top to keep things organized, especially if you plan to build more automations later. Next, add Slack to the scenario. Click the plus icon on the canvas and search for Slack in the app list. You'll see both triggers and actions available. Triggers like Watch Messages let the scenario start when a new message appears in a channel. Actions like Send a Message, Add a Reaction, Create a Reminder, Edit or Delete Messages, or even invite and remove users allow you to perform tasks inside Slack from other tools connected to Make. When you select a Slack trigger or action for the first time, you'll be asked to create a connection. Click Add or Create a Connection, and a Slack Permissions window will open. Choose the correct Slack workspace, sign in if needed, and click Allow to grant access through Slack's OAuth system. You may see a list of permissions. These depend on what you want to automate, such as posting messages or reading events. If your workspace requires admin approval to install apps, you might need to request approval before continuing. With your Slack account connected, configure the module. For Send a Message, pick the channel or user where the message should go, then write your message text. You can also map data from earlier modules, like form submissions or rows from a spreadsheet, so your message is dynamic. For Watch Messages, choose the channel you want, Make to monitor. Other actions will show similar fields. Fill them out based on the exact Slack task you want to automate. Take a moment to double-check channel selections and any mapped fields to avoid posting in the wrong place. Now test your setup. Click Run once in the scenario editor. If you chose a trigger like Watch Messages, Make will look for new messages. If it's an action, Make will perform it, often by sending a test message. Open the scenario history to confirm everything executed successfully and review the input and output. When you're happy with the result, save your scenario and turn it on. From here, it will run automatically whenever your trigger conditions are met or on the schedule you've set.